Hey guys, Dean here now. I've got Aaron with me today, mate. Welcome to the Bush Company
Thank you.
HQ. And yeah, Aaron's taking a big drive up here, hey?
Yeah, it's 12 hours. So
12 hours
yep,
to
pretty
come in.
excited about it, and
fantastic.
even better, I thought I'd make a trip out of it. So
great, mate.
Me and the boys are going out camping straight after this.
Perfect. Pick up your new tent. So Aaron's
yep,
coming in for one of our Black Series rooftop tents, and then go out to the Glasshouse Mountains, do some tracks over the weekend.
Yep.
That's fantastic.
Put it to good use straight away. So.
Mate, you've got an insane looking 150 series Land Cruiser Prado.
This is actually my third one of these. Okay. So I'm pretty passionate about this shape and model. I've built it basically now to do a lot of touring, and it actually does some pretty hard tracks as well. So it's a bit of a mix of both. So I've got the TJM bar work, scrub rails and steps, running a larger tyre size, a different wheel offset to get a bit more height. Got the King's Racing Shots suspension, it's about 2 or 3 inch lift, a bit more clearance. Got all the bash plates underneath.
Under the bonnet you're running a dual battery system in the front.
Run us through dual battery system. I've got a fair bit of electrical work in this. So I've got the TJM by projector by TJM 25 amp charger. So
that's awesome. Well guys, the goal is today is to get the tent as low as possible. So Aaron's come in with a rack on the top, and it's almost like a full-length rail fitted to this Prado. It's by cane toed equipment, and what we're going to be doing is trying to fit the tent directly to that to keep it as low as possible. Mate, and hopefully we get you in that in the Glasshouse Mountains pretty soon.
That's it. Yeah, I didn't make it easy for you, but you were up for the challenge, so
it's fantastic. Oh well, let's get to it. Let's get to the workshop. All right, guys. So yeah, we were able to achieve exactly, I think, what you wanted, Aaron, getting it down as low. Well, so far, so good. We're going to use the existing slots. Somehow the tent miraculously lined up with what we needed on the roof rack, pretty much. And we only have to drill the front 2 holes and then lower it back down again. So what we do is take the whole rack off the vehicle, bolt it to the bottom of the tent after we've marked it all up. And
drop it back down.
Drop it back down and get your awning on as well. We've got a
Darche
awning coming off the side.
2.5 metre awning. So.
Yeah, 2.5 metre awning coming off the side, so we're going to mount that in next. So let's get this propped up and where it needs to be, get it back on the vehicle.
Yeah, and go camping.
Go camping. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, neat job, eh? What do you reckon, mate?
Oh, come up beautiful. So kept it nice and low. So
we've got the awning on the side, just pointing downwards so you can still get to it easily. Alright, let me run through the tent with you. Basically, pop up the latches, and the nice thing is with the wagons, like, you know, basically like the Prado, is you can open up the back. So we'll just pop that open.
Plenty of room to get in there.
Plenty of room to get in, which is great. That's just locked up.
Lock that in.
And then so from this position it's quite nice. Now, pop that open, basically lift the bungee cord and hook it over the top sail track. So it goes up on either side, like that. And then that'll lift up. Now to get in the tent, you've got your side access on the other side, which I suppose probably what you'll be using most of the time.
Utilise the ladder.
The ladder comes in a little bag, so if you are leaving it in your vehicle, you know, and it's muddy or sandy or so on, you can just keep it in the bag, keeps all the dirt out of the car. Velcro that up. Now, when you're assembling these telescopic ladders, basically I'm going to get the hole lined up there. So put it into place, lock it off first, right? And then extend the bottom out until it clicks. Now you can get it all the way. So in your car with that height, that's probably the right height there, leaving those two together. Obviously if you leave it out, when you stand on it, it's going to compress because it's not locked all the way. So yeah, pretty simple from there. I've got the spring steel rods on the inside, which I'll show you next.
Easy as that.
There we go. So when installing these, the easiest way is to get it in there first, in the bottom. Okay, all the way in, and then you can bend this nice and far back. There we go. That's that one done. And this one. That's it. And that's it, all set up. Now inside there you've got the light, you can just see it from there. So that's the amber on the one switch and the white on the other. Your mesh rolls down from the sides, and you've got your pockets that are movable, so you can velcro off the pockets, move it up or down, or add more if you want more in future. So that's pretty much that.
Perfect.
Well, good time to go hit the tracks.
Yeah, definitely.
No.
Got a few on the list. So.
Well, thanks for joining the Bush Company family, mate.
No worries.
That's awesome. And guys, for more info on this, go to our website and our YouTube channel at bushcompany.net. And don't forget to go follow Aaron, you know,
On the adventures.
on all of his adventures. Yep, on Instagram and Facebook.
Yep, that's it.
Awesome. Catch you later. Don't forget to go bush.